Hey everybody, welcome back to Clouded Thoughts Furniture. And today's video is another tip for today. So I don't know about you, but I have ended up with just a bunch of different types of tape around my shop. And I'm always looking for them and I can't find the right ones. And it's really frustrating. So once again, we just need to make a little something to kind of organize a little bit better. So the other thing I've got in the shop, and I don't know if you do or not, but I've got a bunch of old broom handles that I just always seem to have, and I hate throwing them away because they just seem too good, like I could do something with them. So I got a little bit of an idea real quick in between some other things I was doing. I decided to make a rack that I could put the all the tape on. And you can see I'm going to end up doing 32 inches high, 8 inches in between, and I'm going to use 8 inches out on the dowels I'm going to use, and just screw it down somewhere when I decide where I want to go. So what I've done is the handle I'm using is 7/8 of an inch. I'm going to cut out a 15-inch miter, and I'm using a 1-inch wood bit to pre-drill for the dowels to go in. It's going to end up looking something like this. I did a quick little mock-up, but you can see, I did the end. I don't think I'll save that. You can see it goes pretty good right here. Pre-drilled the just a little bit, maybe 1/4 of an inch in. I'm going to put a screw on the back side and go in. That should end up doing pretty good for me and should organize things for me. I'll put a picture up on Clouded Thoughts Instagram in a little bit, and you can see how it ended up. So once again, that's our tip for today. Thanks for stopping by Clouded Thoughts.